Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing great. This video is especially for the people who are traveling to Toronto, Canada. I know you guys come here thinking CN Tower and Niagara Falls are the only place to visit, but today I'm here especially for you guys to show you how much City of Hamilton has to offer. City of Hamilton and local, if you guys are watching, you already know what I'm going to be talking about. Yes, it's Webster Falls. It's only 60 kilometers away from downtown Toronto. October is one of the best time of the year to visit because you can see all the beautiful, magnificent, vibrant colors of the fall. You probably won't be able to see at the moment right now, but as we go in the video, I will show you. So I will be right back. Meanwhile, you like, subscribe, hit the bell icon because I'll be bringing tons and tons of fun stuff for you guys. Guys, I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please subscribe, share. Even if you did not like the video, still hit the subscribe and bell icon because I will be making tons of fun videos for you. Take care.